Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Raj from Radical TechArt, your process automation strategist. Today, let me welcome to you all in this crash course on flow sensors. If you are an engineer setting up a new system or a purchase manager trying to find the right sensor, this video will give you completely clarity. Today, we are breaking down the 4 major types of flow sensor, what they do, how they work, and their advantages, limitations, and where to use them. We will look at magnetic, vortex, Coriolis, and thermal flow sensors. So let's get started. First, let's start with magnetic flow sensor. It is also known as a magmeter. It works on Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. When a conductive liquid flows through a magnetic field, it generates a small voltage, and that voltage is directly proportional to flow rate. This means no moving parts, no mechanical wears. It works well with dirty, corrosive, or viscous liquids, perfect for wastewater, chemicals, or food slurry application. The catch is it only works with conductive liquids, can't use it with oils or gases. Now let's discuss about vortex flow sensor. This sensor detects flow by measuring vortex shading. That's the swirling pattern of fluid created behind a bluff body placed in the flow. It works well for both liquids and gases and can handle high temperatures and pressure, which makes it great for steam application. It's not ideal for low or pulsating flow, and it's sensitive to vibrations in the pipeline. You will find it in boiler system, HVAC, chilled water lines, or compressed air setups. Now let's talk about the Coriolis flow sensor, the king of accuracy. This one directly measures mass flow using the Coriolis effect as the fluid passes through vibrating tubes. It causes a twist or phase shift, and that shift is measured to calculate flow. You get mass flow, density, and temperature all in one sensor. It's ideal for liquids and gases and delivers a very high accuracy. And its downside is it's very expensive and installation needs to be perfect, stable mounting, and no vibration should be there. Best used in pharma, batching, oil and gas, or high-value chemical processes. Now, let's discuss about thermal flow sensor. It works by measuring how quickly heat is removed from a heated probe. The faster the fluid flows, the faster it carries away the heat. This sensor is highly sensitive and compact, making it perfect for low-flow gas monitoring. But it can be affected by changes in gas composition, and it's not suitable for high-pressure liquids. You can use it for clean gases in HVAC, semiconductors, or biotech labs. Now let's do quickly recap. Use magnetic flow sensor for conductive liquids, vortex sensor for steam, air, and general gases, Coriolis for high accuracy and mass flow, thermal sensors for low flow gas monitoring. Each sensor has its strengths, and choosing the right one depends on your media type, accuracy requirement, and process environment. If you got a specific application in your mind, comment below. I personally reply to you every question. And if this video is helpful for you, hit the like button and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you all in my next video.